chore to get out of bed. I also started very severe arthritis in the area where I had surgery. I ended up about 10 years later starting to develop arthritis, very severe arthritis in the area where I had surgery. I was unable to get out of bed some mornings. I was so stiff, it was just a chore to get out of bed. I also started to experience some more numbness and pain in my leg, and basically went to the doctor, started taking a lot of anti-inflammatories, started to try to do some different forms of exercise too to help relieve some of the symptoms, but I really didn't get any lasting relief from any of that. Fortunately, at the time, my wife was practicing hot yoga. She encouraged me many times to join her in a class. I was a little bit concerned about doing it because at that time I could barely touch my kneecaps with my hands. I was so stiff. And instead of going to class with her, I actually ended up buying a book, started to do some yoga at home, experimented with that, and started to feel a little bit better from that. I was still having problems, but the turning point for me was the year that I really questioned whether I was ever going to be able to hunt again. I was in so much pain, having difficulty walking up and down hills, that I figured it was time to do something pretty dramatic. So in 2005, I took my first hot yoga class. I fell in love with it instantly. The heat was just incredible relief for my arthritis. I really enjoyed the precision of the movements and all the instructions around that. My first instructor just harped on precision and patience constantly, and that was really beneficial because I felt really safe. Given my back condition, I was really worried about doing some of that, so that helped a tremendous amount. So basically started doing it, and it seems like every couple of months there was some big benefit or milestone that I realized. But ultimately, ended up getting off anti-inflammatories, lost 15 pounds, became a much more patient person. Also ended up, basically after 3 years, I was basically symptom-free from my back problems. And from that point on, I just stopped doing everything else exercise-wise, immersed myself in my practice, been practicing now for 15 years. And then in 2014, I went to